now. So if I send you homework from Solutions book, I'll use the EduPage. But if I use Raz-Plus, then we are going to use Raz-Plus. Then, of course, we'll use Zoom and EduPage. How do I use EduPage? I will send you your homeworks, and I will put the link. I think most of your classes joined the sorry. Okay. Most of you joined already the YouTube channel that you can follow the missed classes. And in EduPage, I will take attendance immediately. At the beginning of the class, I will check who is here and who is not here. And I'll give you the marks through EduPage and homeworks through EduPage. And Raz-Plus, most importantly. In Raz-Plus, everyone is going to have their own logins and passwords. And some of you didn't get it. I will send you today. So marking, how is going to be marking of English this term? Raz-Plus is going to affect 50%, which is, Raz-Plus is very important. Most, like affects most. 50% is much. So 30% quizzes and exams. Actually, according to the ministry, we are supposed to have one SOR and one SOCH. But I'm going to take vocabulary quiz, and I count this vocabulary quiz as SOR. Okay, don't worry, these exams are not going to be so difficult. It's mostly it's going to be fun. Like we will use maybe Kahoot, like websites like Kahoot. Like we will gamify the tests, so don't worry. And 20% attendance and participation. What does it mean? Attendance is, as I said at the beginning of the class, I will check who is here and who is not here through EduPage. And participation is like being active during the classroom. When I ask answering, like being active, answering the questions actively. So general activity in the classroom. So now I will show you how we are going to use Arujan came. Shola came, but lately Mariam came. Who else? Nina Bisenbek is not here, and Alia is not here. Okay. Now I will show you a short video about Raz-Plus. It will explain you. It will give you general idea about it.
So, in this video, student account.
So this is our website, okay, razplus.com. So to log in, you have to go to this website. And when you go to the website, you're going to have a page like this. To log in, you will click on Kids Login, okay, Kids Login.
Raz-Plus is an award-winning link. Yeah. Students will be at.
So when you click on Kids Login, they ask you your teacher's username. I will send you my username to you as well now through the chat. So first of all, you have to enter first my username, then your own username. Okay.
Answering their classroom name, which will direct them to the page where they will find their own names.
Then when you enter my username, this is, for example, teacher's username. This is, let's suppose this is me and this is you. For example, this is Jalila, this is Shahla. So you're going to find yourself and click on it.
Afterwards, they need to click on their names.
When you click on your names, they ask you a password, then you enter your password.
And enter their passwords when they log in the system.
So when you log in, you're going to have a page like this. I will explain this page from another slide. So Kids AZ and Raz-Plus, they are same things, okay? Don't worry, they are same. So You enter teacher's username and you enter your username and password. So when you enter your username, you have a page like this. Everyone's page will look like this, okay? So here we have flight check, reading room, level up, and my assignments. So flight check, we're not going to focus on this week. Let me explain what is reading room. Reading room is a room created for doing free readings. It's not compulsory. You're going to do reading. You're going to use reading room extra. This is extra for you. If you want to read extra books, and if you want to do some extra listening, then you can read it from here. The most important thing you have to pay attention for is this, my assignment. What is this my assignment thing? For example, I will send you a book this week. Then if I send you a book as a homework, then it appears here. You can see your all homeworks from Raz-Plus here, my assignments. Okay? So you have to always check my assignments to check if you have homework or not. This level up thing is, for example, let's say you are in level A when you start the Raz-Plus. For example, when you finish several books, you will level up, which means you are getting better in English. That's not that important, so it's just to see your own level. What messages? If I send you the messages, you can see it from here. And what is this my stats thing? It means your grades in Raz-Plus. For example, you can see how many books you have read, how many listings you have did, and all your marks given by me will appear here in my stats. And here we have star zone. What is star zone? Star zone is, for example, if I give you one book, for one book you have 3 exercises. First of all, you have to do listening about the book. Secondly, you have to read the book. And thirdly, you have to answer the questions. When you complete all these 3 exercises about the book, when you finish one book shortly, you will earn 1 star. So to mark you, I will count your stars. So this earning star thing is very important. For example, can you see this screen? Here, let's say this is my page. This is teacher's page. For example, let's say I gave Jalila country places. So I can see what Jalila did about this book from here. So everyone have to do, as I said, 3 things about the book: listening, reading, and the questions. So for example, Jalila is reading country places, for example. This is only example, okay? So I can see everything from here. Jalila did the listening, reading, and the question. So it means you have 1 star. You have 1 good mark. Let's say this frog is hungry. Let's say Galia is reading this book. So I can see if Galia is doing the listening, I can see it from here. If she is doing the reading, I can see it from here. These blue things means you didn't do it. Okay? So I can see who did what, who is doing what, and I can mark according to this. So I can see everything. So once you finish one book, you're going to earn stars like this. This is the explanation about the login again, as in the video. You have to first enter my username. Then, for example, this is our class. Let's say this is Anar teacher, and these are your names. Let's say, for example, you will find your own name from here and click on it. This is, for example, Bayram teacher's page.